Alright, so this is going to be our quadratic formula. I want you to set your equation, like all quadratics, equal to 0. Alright, once you set it equal to 0, then you're still going to identify your a, b, and c, and you're going to start solving. Alright, so that's the main thing. Always, if you're going to use your quadratic formula, set it equal to 0, get your a, b, and c values, then start evaluating, and start doing some simplifying. Alright, so that's what we're going to work on next. Alright, so x is going to equal the opposite of b, plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c. Divide that all by 2 times your a value. All right. Now, once you do that, get that number, get the discriminant, the number underneath the square root. You end up getting 153. All right, so we're at this point, negative 3 plus or minus square root of 153 over 12. Now what you need to do is you need to simplify the square root of 153. That's the biggest part. All right, so the square root of 153 can get broken down by 3 times 51. Break down 51, that's 3 times 17. All right, now I'm crossing out the 153 and I'm crossing out the 51. It's 3 times 3 times 17. That's what 153 is. All right? I'm circling the 3's because those are pairs. I'm going to bring out that 3 now. All right, so this right now, the square root of 153 simplifies as 3 radical, or 3 square root, 3 square root 17. So now I'm going to rewrite this equation. It becomes negative 3 plus or minus 3 square root 17 all over 12. Now, every number on the outside of the square root, the negative 3, the 3, and the 12, we are going to simplify. All right, so I want to look at all these numbers and see if I can divide each of these 3 numbers by something. All right, so simplify all numbers outside the square root. I know I can divide each of those numbers by 3. So I'm going to do that. Negative 3 divided by 3, then 3 divided by 3, and then 12 divided by 3. So when I do that, I end up getting negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 17 all over 4. And that's your answer.